It is delicious, it is tender.
Hi, this is Jen from our family table. On tonight's menu, we're having honey garlic chicken rice bowls, and this is all you're gonna need.
We are back with our honey garlic chicken rice bowls. Look at that, folks. Look how delicious that looks. Do you see the steam coming off of it? We're gonna give her a taste, and I'm gonna let you know how good this is. I'm gonna get a little bit of rice, a piece of chicken. Let's not burn my mouth off. Come on. This is so good. It is so good. It's a little bit spicy. I added sriracha in it. I added 2 tablespoons. We can handle heat in our family. But again, if you don't want any kind of heat, just add a little bit. It is delicious. It is tender. It just melts in your mouth. The rice, I use Trader Joe's organic jasmine rice. It comes in a box, 3 packages. It's the only rice we use in this house. If you've never tried it, I would advise you to try it. It is delicious. Let's taste the broccoli and see how this tastes. Gotta get some greens. Cooked perfectly. I steamed the broccoli. It just has a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt and pepper. It's perfect. Perfect weeknight meal. Try it with your family. You will not regret it. It's delicious. Again, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.